pepper, egg, cilantro leaf, fried rice, or black pepper, egg, cilantro leaf, pilaf, or black pepper, egg, coriander leaf. Pilaf, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the cilantro leaf recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coriander leaf recipes. We are going to make black pepper, cilantro, egg, fried rice. We've taken around 3 to 4 sprigs of cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. shallots. Mix in the shallots with the rest of mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Now put in the cilantro leaves into the egg mixture. Mix thoroughly. And crush all the ingredients and mix together. Mix and crush. Heat the pan and put in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated and spread the oil in the pan. Pour in the egg mixture into the pan. Let it fry. Let the mixture fry. let it fry. Let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. So, water in the pressure cooker pan. Put in salt to taste. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice into the pressure cooker pan. Put in 1 or 2 cilantro leaves. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Heat the pan in which we made the omelette and pour in 5 to 6 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Put in the rice and enter the ghee. Salt and the ghee. Salt the rice. Now make the omelette into pieces. Mix the omelette pieces with the rice. And salt. Now pour in a spoon of soy sauce, salt thoroughly, and mix with the rice. Thoroughly salt and mix. Dip on and sauteing for 1 to 2 minutes. Black pepper, egg, cilantro rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, egg, cilantro leaf fried rice or black pepper, egg, cilantro leaf pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the Pilaf recipes and one of the most unique, different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most different of the cilantro leaf recipes and one of the most delicious of the coriander leaf recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.